Hi everyone, welcome to our presentation. This is Payal Agrawal from Sydney, Australia.
Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh Agrawal in Orlando, Florida.
So now let's begin. Alpha Insight is a multi-agent co-pilot. You give it a ticker and a team of specialist agents independently gathers each type of evidence. Then a coordinator synthesizes them into one grounded risk and trading profile. Plus a chat co-pilot. You can ask follow-ups.
Let's start by analyzing a company. Let's say we start with Apple and hit analyze. As you can see, it generates a complete report. Behind the scene, 5 agents are running in parallel. Over here, different agents extract different things. So one agent extracted the price, another agent was able to extract the risk rating for the company, which is grounded in the latest 10K filing. There are technical indicators that are being extracted by a different agent. So these are again computed directly from price data. These are not model hallucinated numbers. We can see different news regarding the same company as well. These are backed up with link. And we can see how the AI thinks the sentiment behind each news is. A different agent was able to pull up different macroeconomic indicators from the Fed website again. Then we see that a 5-day forecast is made. This forecast is made by a mathematical quantitative model called old linear model. Since the memory is being saved into our cache memory and it is available for our chatbot can access all the memory presented in the document. So since we already have analyzed Apple's profile, and if I ask it now, what are its major risks, it should not take us too long. It should be able to understand that we are talking about Apple and understand that it needs to talk about risk. So it just thinks about the question. It does not need to go and fetch the documents. It should be able to provide an answer over here. And every time we talk about it, it gives a disclaimer that it is an educational demo of agentic AI, not a financial advice. And that disclaimer, as you can see, is always present at the end of our website as well. One thing to note over here is in our chatbot, if we do ask a question like, should I buy Apple? It should give us a warning that it cannot give personal buy or sell advice.
Under the hood is a hybrid architecture. One path is deterministic orchestra that fans out to five grounded data sources in parallel and caches the result. The other is a agentic path built on Google's ADK, a portfolio coordinator in a stateful session that delegates to subagents for technicals, SEC risk, sentiment, macro, and forecasting. The cache bridges them. The analysis path writes the grounded profile. The chat path reads it. That's how the copilot says context aware.
Apart from the architecture, what makes our project stand out? A couple of things. Firstly, we have implemented some guardrails. You should be able to see that we have a skill file. In those skills files, we have a code for guardrails and code for validator. If you go to skills.md, you will see what they actually mean. The other thing we are proud of is our reliability. Here we have created a proper evaluation suite across 12 tickers that checks every output is well-informed and in range, plus custom guardrails still that ground, constraint, and flag numbers. We are honest that this reduces hallucination. It does not magically eliminate the hallucination, but it will help us reduce the hallucination. As you can see, our entire project was created using anti-gravity. We used different aspects of anti-gravity. We needed to schedule some tasks. Our entire chat was based on anti-gravity. We used our implementation plan, so different artifacts. We also used anti-gravity IDE and also anti-gravity CLI to run some certain tasks. We have created our GitHub page, and you will be able to see everything on GitHub page. It is being hosted on Huggingface, where you can analyze different stocks on your own. The link will be on the write-up part. So you can go to Google Cloud Console, and if you are in Playground of Alpha Insight, then if you create a session, and again, let's say if we type, should I buy Apple? It should be able to provide us an answer. Here, again, because of our guardrail, it told us that I cannot give personal buy-sell advice.
So, to conclude, we can say that Alpha Insight turns an hour of fragmented research into a 30-second grounded profile, a real business workflow built as a multi-agent system. Code, live demo, and write-up are all linked below. Thanks for watching.